This video is about the Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, a truly versatile kitchen companion worth every penny. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this countertop oven in the description below. This 11-in-1 mini oven doesn't just bake or broil, it air fries, dehydrates, proofs, toasts, and even functions as a slow cooker, all within a 70 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, making it far more versatile than traditional ovens. Equipped with a powerful 3,200 revolutions per minute DC motor, this mini oven can roast up to 30% faster than conventional air fryers, giving you precision and speed in one compact appliance. Whether you're cooking a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a full family meal, the generous 25-quart capacity ensures you have plenty of room without taking up your entire countertop. The Chef IQ mini oven also works seamlessly with the free Chef IQ app, allowing you to program, monitor, and control your cooking from anywhere. With dozens of chef-tested presets, temperature tracking, and custom cook times, this smart oven essentially acts as your personal sous chef. The built-in touchscreen controls feature haptic feedback and audio alerts for a smooth, intuitive cooking experience. And it even pairs with the IQ Sense Smart Cooking Thermometer to adapt your cooking on the fly for perfectly cooked meals, inside and out. While the mini oven is slightly heavier than some compact models at 26.2 pounds, its multiple functionalities, app integration, and high-speed cooking capabilities make it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about home cooking. If you want efficiency, convenience, and professional-level cooking in one sleek black device, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't wait. Check the link in the description below to see the latest price and grab your Chef IQ mini oven today. You won't regret it.